Yo, 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 yo.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
It's a hot ticket tonight, and we here at EA Sports are so excited to bring it to you. Along with Ray Ferraro, my name is James Cebulski. Let's get ready to play this one. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
Just moments away from puck drop, both teams seem ready to go. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Team Finland's got the puck along the wall. Big play inside the defensive zone. Quick pass to McDonough. Look out! What a hit! You gotta keep your head up out there. Finland's got the puck against the half wall. Move to the middle. Takes the feed. Tries to get the puck to Gaudreau. Oh, he'll feel that one. Team Finland's got it now. Scrum ensues along the boards. Knocked away. And now it's grabbed by Matthews. Moves it to McDonough. Pass right on the doorstep. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Line A swooping in on the attack. And it's a quick pass to Ristolainen. Wrist shot from the slot. Comes up with the stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. Moves it quickly over to Granlund. That's off a stick.
I love watching quick play. Here's a great stop, an example of how he can move around the net.
Quick feed to Kotkaniemi. And they go back on the attack in the offensive zone. And that one's stopped. And now he angles it across to Van Riemsdyk. Rask's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized. Up, he flares up the arm with the blocker. Makes a pretty good save here.
Team USA's got it, and they're on the attack. Trapper save!
You know when you're looking for a buddy in a crowded train station? Well, now you got to find a little puck through the bodies there. Good luck to you. Found it.
USA's got the puck against the boards. Here's a short pass to Folk. Handles the puck at the point. Moves the puck. Move to the middle. Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Lowers the boom with that hit. Right in front of the net. And that one's broken up. Carries it across the line. Lets it go. Simple glove save by Rask.
Since nobody scored, each team trying to find a little bit of room on the ice. When you can collect a hit like this, everyone on your bench notices.
Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Centered out in front, and that's picked off. Tries to feed it over to Oshie. Oshie's going to play it against the half wall. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Jones. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Quick pass to Komarov. Komarov's got it in the offensive zone. That's a solid hit. And he slides it quickly to Ristolainen. And now he moves it to Donskoy. Nice pass. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Throws it in. USA's got it behind the net. And now it's over to Kessler. Takes the feed. Pass stolen in the open ice. Jostles the puck loose. Sends it over. It's in the back of the net. He scores!
Excellent puck movement on the odd man rush. They catch them short, and they make them pay.
Team Finland's hard work in this opening period pays off.
Right when the anthem finished, these guys were on it. They've done a really terrific job and are well rewarded for that first goal.
Scored by number 29, Patrick Laine. Assisted by number...
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Finland's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Laine's got the puck in his own zone. Mata's got the puck. Team USA's got the puck along the boards. Pavelski's got it across the line. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Here's a backhander. There's another stop.
Sharp reaction save.
Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Stick save by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's right in front of the puck, too, so there's really nowhere that puck's going to squeak through.
And now he moves it quickly to Granlund. And he slides it quickly to Rantanen. With possession along the wall. Moves it to Rantanen. Picks off the pass.
Oh, I don't know about that. There didn't seem to be much room there. You've got the lead. Why force the play?
Granlund's moving it ahead. Here's a chance. Works it across to Gaudreau. Picked off. Reaches out and pokes it away. Receives the pass. Redirected in front. Big time stop. And now he tries to get it across to Kane. Team Finland's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Quick pass to Barkov. Back to the point it goes. Angles it over to Eichel. Eichel's got it into offensive territory. Shuts him down on the breakaway.
Really good save as the shooter thought he had an opening, but it's turned aside.
Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest.
Goalies do drills to follow the puck a lot. This is one reason they do. Deflected shot, he makes a save.
USA's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. Eichel's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Puts it to the front of the net, and that carries off a stick. Puck picked up by Filppula. Moves it quickly over to Koivu. Puck sent across the blue line. Looks to set up at the point now. Now a quick pass to Honka. Team USA's got the puck along the wall. Quick feed to Wheeler. Move to the middle. Just can't complete that pass.
Oh, he's got the right play in mind. He just doesn't execute the final pass.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Takes the pass from his goaltender. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Passes right to the front. Aho's going to play it from the back of the cage. Shuts it down. What a save. Here's a short pass to Jones. Takes it right in the chest. And we're going to get a stoppage here as the referee blows the play dead. USA still down here in the first despite the multiple scoring opportunities. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Takes it across the blue line. Shot. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it.
Really smooth stop here as he deflects this puck into the corner out of danger.
Pass the midway mark of the frame. James and Ray with you tonight. 1-0 the score. Kessler's won the faceoff. Bufflin's got it in the defensive end. They've got numbers, and that's broken up. Quick pass to Donskoy. Over the line they come. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. And that's out of reach and out of the offensive zone. Scooped up along the wall by Oshie. And he feeds it down to Kessler. Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. Moves it to Oshie. Into the corner now. Sends the pass over. And that's blocked. And the puck leaves the offensive zone. They'll be forced to tag up. Passes it over to Pacioretty. Along the half wall with the puck. And it's a quick pass to Jones. Big time stop there. Here's an opportunity in front of the net. Tries to get it over to Donskoy. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Team USA is trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. Puck scooped up by Lindell. Moves it quickly over to Donskoy. USA's got the puck in their own end. Jones takes it across the line. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Here he is in close. Stopped by the goaltender. Moves it around along the half wall. Puts it on net. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Rocks him on the play. Takes that pass back at the point. Ahead of steam now towards the front. And a stick in the lane ends that threat.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Here in the late goings of the period, we got a 1-0 game to this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. And he slides it quickly to Vatanen. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a reaction!
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
Suter's got the puck through the neutral zone. Quick feed to Gaudreau. Misses over the net.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
Here's a shot and makes the save. Team USA still trailing here in this opening period despite excellent scoring opportunities in the offensive zone. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Picked up along the boards by Wheeler. Wheeler's taking it from his own end. And he comes up with it. Right in the low slot. Battle along the boards. Stays with it. Slides the puck down low. Can't hang on to the puck after the play. Granlund's carrying it ahead. Centering pass. Snaps one on net. That's blocked. McDonough's lugging the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Besser. Besser's got it against the boards. And now he angles it across to McDonough. Centering pass. Falk's going to play it to the corner. Slides the puck over. Wrist shot from the slot. Oh, that gets a piece of the stick. Here's a short pass to Granlund. Sends a pass over. Knocked away. Quick pass to Rantanen. And there's the save. Getting into the later stages of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. USA's down, but not out. They've had chances. They just haven't capitalized. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Here they come on the attack. Moves it to Folk. Back to the blue line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Gets the puck over to Ristolainen. Takes that one right in the logo. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Kessler's won it in their own end. And that pass is stolen. Filppula's got it deep in the offensive end. Up along the wing. Handles the puck. And that goes wide.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Here's an odd man rush. Moves the puck down low. Moves it quickly over to Vatanen. Easy peasy right there by Quick. And with the sound of the horn, that means the conclusion of period number 1. A lone goal is the difference so far through the first 20. It's a 1-0 game. As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2. Clean sheet of ice, period 2 is set to go. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. Well, this one underway. Ray, give us an update on what your assessment is to this point.
The stars of the game are the guys standing in front of the goals. Man, they've both been terrific. I can't believe there's only one goal.
Lets it go from the slot. Oh, what a save in front. Carries it in. And he gets the puck right back. Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Here's a chance. Blocker save. Looks to get the puck over to Gaudreau. Looks to make a play over to McDonough. Quick feed to Kane. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And he slides it quickly to Matthews. McDonough's got it along the wing. Taken by Rantanen. There's the physical side. Let's one go. Great glove save.
We're going to back this up again and get another look at this stop the goalie makes. He makes a solid save on a really dangerous chance.
Lots of time left in this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Jones brings it in. Jones plays it against the boards. Finland's looking to break out of their own end. Here's a short pass to Granlund. He's got a step. Oh, what hustle, Ray.
The defender looked like he was shot out of a cannon. He made up the extra ground to clear the puck away.
On the attack along the boards. No room for that one to get through. Granlund's going to play it against the half wall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Man, did he steamroll over top of him there, Seaball.
Look out. That was a freight train on that one. Kotkaniemi's moving the puck through his own zone. Into the offensive end now. Here's a rip. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Now a quick pass to Wheeler. Wheeler's got it in the offensive end. Reads the pass perfectly and picks it off. With possession along the wall. In front and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up.
Wow, did that sound like it hurts. You crash somebody against the boards like that, and there is nowhere to go.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Carries it across the line. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Folk. Misses wide. Slides the puck over to Honka. Pushes it across to Donskoy. Donskoy's got it in the offensive zone. Quick pass to Komarov. Scores!
They score back-to-back goals. They stay aggressive after getting the first one. They tack another one on here. I don't think the goaltender gets a look at this at all, James. He just drops into the butterfly. He's hoping the thing hits him through that traffic.
Team Finland's now gone up by a pair in the second.
So they've got a 2-goal lead. Some people say it's the worst lead in hockey. Well, guess what? I'll take the worst lead as opposed to trailing by 2.
Yeah, you know what's better than down by 2? Being up by 2, right? Simple! Pass back to the point. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. They've got the defense outnumbered. A chance right in front. Stones him in front. Fires it. Oh, what a save with the glove! Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. Finland's been the better team here over the last few minutes, increasing their lead to 2. Denies him on the play. I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves it to Suter. And now he moves it to Suter. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. And it's a quick pass to Pacioretty. Delayed penalty coming up here. Quick feed down low. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Takes a whack but still hangs on. And there's the whistle. Let's get the call from the official here. Officials pretty much reacted once you heard the ooze from the crowd on that one. Boarding is the call.
The game has evolved to the point where you can't really hit anybody that hard anymore on the boards. You have to angle them in.
Both teams lining up for the face-off, and it's a chance to see if there's actually some power in this power play.
And so they'll get their first power play of the evening. At the very least, you want to make sure you get pucks to the net, win some puck battles so you retrieve the puck. You just do not want on your first power play to have a poor one because that can leak into subsequent power plays as the game goes on.
Takes the pass and uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. And it's kicked away. Trying to get the puck out of his own end. And clearing attempt is a big success on that play. USA's gained possession along the boards. Matthews plays it into the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Ristolainen. And manages to clear the zone. Team USA's got a hold of it along the wall. Matthews looks around. Centering pass. Makes the save. Quick feed to Vatanen. And he coughs it up with the pass. Gets it out of his own end. Penalty expires. You really have to admire the effort of the penalty-killing unit on that one as both teams are back to even strength.
Well, when the puck moves and the feet don't, this is what you get. You have lots of zone time, but no real dangerous chances on that power play.
USA's look good offensively to this point, but they continue to trail here in the second. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Laine swooping in on the attack. Grips it and rips it. Misses over the net.
You kick yourself in the tail after you miss a chance like this. Has to be on the net.
And he slides it quickly to Kessel. Lets it go. Comes up with the stop.
Pretty solid stop, and the puck goes into the corner to safety.
Filppula's got the puck. Puck grabbed by Honka. Stopped by the goaltender. Great reflexes, another save. More than half the period left to play, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Feeds the puck over to Aho. And now it's over to Kane. Quick feed down low. And that's picked off in front. Slides it diagonally to Aho. Tremendous hit. Slides it on over to McDonough. Kane's got it across the line. And now he moves it quickly to McDonough. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play.
When you get behind, you start to get a little frantic. There's an example of a player trying to force a puck into a zone that's not there.
Good battle along the boards for the puck. Team Finland's got the puck along the boards. And they'll be forced to regroup after the puck bounces out of the offensive zone. Nice poke check. Finland's got the puck along the wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Lets it fly. That goes off the mask.
We used to laugh about this and say, the goalie's got to answer the phone because his ears are going to be ringing. But I'm sure the trainer's going to check on him here as this hits him right in the face.
Here's a short pass to Donskoy. Quick pass to Mata. And now he tries to get it across to Teravainen. And now he angles it across to Teravainen. Moves the puck along the half wall. Here's a shot, and he makes the save. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Teravainen's got it into offensive territory. Teravainen's got it in the corner. Feeds it down low. Takes the feed with the stop. Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Slides it across to Kessler. Along the half wall with the puck. Takes the feed at the back end. And here's a shot. Scores! Max Pacioretty.
These are fun goals to score. You read that the goaltender's dropping into the butterfly, and you know you're going top shelf. You beat him over the glove. It feels great.
USA's back to center ice, and now it is just a deficit of 1.
What a difference just the one goal makes in the way that you look at the game, what makes you think is possible. They only need one more to even this up.
And tries to make a diagonal pass to Oshie. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. Moves it around along the half wall.
35 seconds.
Takes a shot and makes the save. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. Team USA's trailing by 1. Barkov's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Trying to gain a step. All alone. Denies him on the breakaway. Taken along the wall by Van Riemsdyk. Van Riemsdyk's got it against the boards. Huge steal in his own end. Trying to shake loose. He's in. And he decides to backtrack on a good-looking opportunity. And that's blocked away. Scores!
He's tight to the net. He doesn't have much time. And that snapshot beats the goaltender from the low slot.
Team Finland's made their way back to center ice. What's the message here as they take a 2-goal lead late here?
Don't change anything. Stay aggressive. Get the puck deep. Be really sure if you're going to pass it through the middle of the ice.
Moves it to Gaudreau. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Battling for it along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Granlund. Laine stick handling in his own zone. Here they are on the attack. Now a quick pass to Honka. And it's a quick pass to Kotkaniemi. Knocked away. USA's got the puck. Moves it quickly over to Kane. Kane's got it along the wing. Puts him hard into the wall. Quick feed to Matthews. Solid check to slow him down. Team USA's got it in the neutral zone. Here's a short pass to Kane. Knocked off the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Picked up along the wall by Matthews. In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play.
Heiskanen used all of his weight to lay this hit along the board. Really solid contact.
Late goings of this period. Finland's got a 2-goal lead. They'd love to build on it. Koivu's won the draw. And he slides it quickly to Mata. Shoots it, denied by the goaltender. USA's gained possession along the boards. Oh, the glove save! Where'd that come from? Team USA's had their opportunities, but they still trail late in this second period. Kessler's won a big draw in their own end. Oshie's got the puck in his own zone. Oh, he got clobbered.
Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Sends it over to Aho. Here's a chance. Sends it across. Lets it go. Comes up with the stop. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. Tripped him up, and he's off to the box for it, Ray.
Reaching out for the puck, you get your stick into his feet. This is the consequence.
Team Finland's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
Key for any team on the power play is to get control of the puck first. So we'll look at the face-off, and this power play at the very least has to generate a little momentum. It's their first crack at it tonight.
17 minutes, 45 seconds.
Moves the puck. Back at the point, they set it up. In close, turns it away.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close, he takes away any room.
On the attack along the boards. Nice pass. Takes it across the blue line. Handles it along the blue line. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone.
There's a right time for every play. That's not it when you're ahead.
More time off the clock as they grab the puck. And now he moves it to Wheeler. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. And now he passes it to Granlund. Great heads-up play by the defender. Takes it out of the offensive zone and back to center. Quick pass to Granlund. Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Here he is, gaining steam. What a stop by the goaltender.
He's right in position as he follows the shooter and snuffs that chance away.
Play whistle dead because of an offside.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
And play resumes as the puck is dropped. Puck leaves the zone, forcing a mass exodus. Horn sounds to end the second period. Still 20 minutes more to go, unless overtime says otherwise. It's 3-1.
Fans, a portion of tonight's proceeds will fund the Children's Playroom at City Hospital, providing a safe, fun environment for kids visiting.
Third period is just around the corner, so don't even think about putting that controller down.
Team website.
And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. Into the middle of the neutral zone. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. And a good use of the body to knock the puck loose. USA's got the puck along the boards. Over the line they come. And now he moves it quickly to Gaudreau. Granlund's gaining momentum. Granlund's going to play it against the half wall. USA's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Has some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. They've got numbers. Here's the pass. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Rask's on top of that for the whistle.
Pretty quickly on top of it to kill the play.
We're still in the early stages of this period. It's a 3-1 hockey game. Lots of offense already. Back underway, and they take possession here inside. Scores!
The mountain looks a little less steep now. They get to within one with that marker there. If you're the goalie here, you just want to move as quick as you can. Maybe it'll hit you, but it's so close to the net that pass is on the tape and off the tape in a hurry.
Team USA's come back with a big one here in the third.
Grind away, dig away, now you got a chance. Only trailing by 1 goal.
Pavelski's won possession. Moves it to Pavelski. Sends the pass over. Jones setting up against the wall. Slides it back to the blue line. Move to the middle. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Moves it quickly over to Van Riemsdyk. Snapper from the slot. Gives them nothing in front. Can't maintain possession. Here's a pass down low. Booming shot. Oh, you would have had that, Ferraro.
Not really. I mean, I think I tried the same shot, but you don't hit the net. You don't give yourself a chance.
Shot! Stopped by the goaltender.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save.
Van Riemsdyk's carrying it ahead. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that one's broken up. Shot! Misses over the net. USA's got the puck along the wall. Moves it over to Eichel. With possession along the wall. Floats it right onto the tape. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Aho's got it in the offensive zone. Team USA's got control of it now from their own end. Here they come on the attack. Team Finland's got a hold of it against the wall. Rocked on the play. Can't connect. Centering pass in front. Saucers it tape to tape. Answers the call with a big save.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Still plenty of time left in this frame. 3-2 is where we're sitting. Kessler's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Slides the puck to Carlson. Rocked him in the open ice. Good hit. Lets it fly. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Inching closer to the midway mark of this period. Just 1 goal separating these two teams as we sit with a 3-2 lead. And now it's grabbed by Carlson. Big save. Puck picked up by Mata. Grabbed along the boards by Vatanen. Dishes it to Donskoy. Donskoy's got the puck. And now it's over to Teravainen. And that's just out of reach. Slides it to Carlson. Puck sent over to Oshie. Moves the puck along the half wall. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play.
It's hard not to take a chance when you're behind in the game. He turns that puck over, trying to make something out of nothing.
And the goalie covers up for the whistle. USA's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Carries it in. Quick feed to Goudreau. Moves it over to McDonough. With the steal. Throws it on goal, and that one's turned away. Team USA's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Rantanen's got it on the offensive end. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. Here's an odd man rush. Slides it across. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. USA's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Carries it across the line. A little rock'em sock'em on the play. And he slides it quickly to Lindell. Now a quick pass to Lindell. Kotkaniemi's got the puck from the back end. And now he tries to get it across to Granlund. Granlund's on the attack in the offensive zone. Gets in front of it.
Suter's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. It's a one-goal hockey game. 3-2 is where we sit. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. They've got the defense outnumbered. Wheeler's taken down to the ice. We got a penalty coming up. Let's see the call here. Lindell's off to the box. 2 minutes for tripping.
He's fishing around trying to get to the puck. Unfortunately for him, he sweeps out his feet.
Another chance here on the man advantage.
There have been times over the last couple of weeks where this power play looks great, other times not so good. But this is a key moment in this game. A chance to tie it up with the man advantage.
Blocked in traffic and manages to clear the zone. Looking to break out here on the power play. Here's a short pass to Eichel. Takes the feed at the point. Here's a shot. Steps in with the block. Here's a chance in front. Denied by the goaltender. Barkov's got it in the defensive end. Along the half wall with the puck. Strong use of the body. Pavelski swooping in on the attack. And it's a quick pass to Jones. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. And he slides it quickly to Kessel. Centered out in front. Denies him in front.
He makes the glove stop right from the slot. That's a dangerous chance. Barkov's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
Team USA's got to be frustrated with how things have played out tonight, trailing in this third period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Here's a shot, and that goes off the iron and stays out.
Team USA's luck continues to be bad. A shot off the post, and they still trail.
Got to give the penalty killers a lot of credit as the penalty expires.
Oh, they're going to rue that one. A chance to even the score here. They didn't get it done, and we go back to even strength.
And now he angles it across to Aho. Moves it around along the half wall. Sends it down low, and he sends it across to Mata. Slides the puck over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Icing is called, stopping the play dead. More than half the period has expired. 3-2 is where we sit. It's a one-goal game in what has been a very fun contest to this point. Puts it on goal. Off target. USA's gained possession along the boards. Kane's got it across the line. Finland's got the puck in their own end. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Filppula. Puck scooped up by Falk. Slides the puck up from the left side. And now he moves it quickly to Teravainen. Quick pass to Honka. And he slides it quickly to Aho. Right to the middle. Snaps it on net. And that's broken up. And that one's broken up. Kane's got it into offensive territory. Pass right in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
Moves it to Kessler. Wrist one in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
Those are the saves that are gifts from the goaltender. That looked like an automatic goal. He's able to make the stop.
Team USA's failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Now a quick pass to Suter. Puts it on net with the stop. Team Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. USA's got the puck. Pacioretty's taking it from his own end. And now he moves it to Oshie. Solid hit on the play, and that knocks the puck off his stick. Feeds it on over to Granlund. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And that one's stopped.
These are positional saves. This is a good scoring chance, and he makes the stop with his stick.
Here in the back half of this period, 3-2 is where we sit in what has been a tightly contested affair. Taken by Lindell. Moves it quickly over to Granlund. Slides the puck down low. Team USA's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Kessel's got it against the boards. And now it's over to Suter. Knocked away. Van Riemsdyk's got it along the wing. And it's a quick pass to Suter. Shot makes the save. USA's Achilles heel tonight has been finding offense as they trail here in the third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Sends a pass over, and he stands tall in goal. Quick feed to Laine. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Moved in front. Goalie makes the save.
He pumped that shot pretty quickly. That's a hard shot, but the goalie makes the stick save.
This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Oh, he gets a piece of it with the glove. Big hit along the boards.
Wow, did he finish him off there. Really nice hit along the wall. Jones is able to use his skating ability to get up tight to the board and throw a big hit.
Team USA's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Scores! It's in the back of the net!
Centermen practice face-offs at the end of every practice. This time the defensive guy loses position. The puck ends up on the shooter's stick, and he rifles it by the goaltender.
Here in the late going of the frame, Finland's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Matthews wins it in the dots.
Scored by number 45.
And now he tries to get it across to Folk.
By number 16, Alexander Malkin.
Takes a shot, stopped by the goaltender.
56 seconds.
USA's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. They trail late in this third period. Offense his own face-off, and he wins the draw. From the blue line, denies him on the slapper. And now he angles it across to Rantanen. On the attack along the boards. Here's a short pass to Rantanen. Big-time defensive play.
I like he wants to move it quickly, but make a safer play than that.
And makes the save. Team Finland's got the puck along the boards. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat. And a penalty is coming up as the play is whistled dead here. Eichel's called for tripping. He's off to the box.
Once he puts up his little token argument here, he's going to circle around a bit and try and regroup here as he goes to the penalty box.
Were you a haggler?
Always. You never think it's the right call.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Denies him. He got all of it. A chance in front. It's in. He scores.
Bang, bang. 2 goals in right around a minute 40.
This is where you want run time here in hockey, right?
This game can't end quick enough. They're getting pounded. I'm not sure how that got into the net. That thing's bouncing all over the place. Not even really a shot, but he'll take it. It's in the net now.
Finland's lamp-lighting performance continues here with another goal in the third.
They can walk home. They have dominated this third period. They've stretched the lead out into a really comfortable margin.
Puts it on net. Nice block. Takes the feed from the left side. Tries to get the puck over to Van Riemsdyk. Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Makes the save. Here in the corner, he grabs the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Offside is the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the offensive zone.
Ristolainen's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Team USA's offensive struggles have been the story tonight. Lots of chances, just not a lot of results. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway. That's a solid check on the play. Directed over to Komarov. Takes the shot, scores! 3 is the magic number.
And that goalie is getting just torched down there. 3 in a row here. Oh, I thought he had this, James. He got a big chunk of it, but it just slowly trickled past him and into the net.
Team Finland's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
Approaching the final minute of regulation. Sent into the offensive zone. USA's got the puck along the wall. Pass across to Oshie. Oshie's going to play it against the half wall. And he comes up with it.
A defenseman loves this. The puck doesn't stay in front of the net. It's now in the corner. He doesn't have to worry about fighting another guy for position.
Over the line they come. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Makes the glove stop. Team USA's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. Matthews wins the faceoff. Dished on over to Kane. With possession along the wall. Chase right in front. Denies him.
Rask's save right there is an excellent one.
Quick pass to Koivu. Handles the puck at the point. Puck grabbed by Jones. Jones moves it into the attacking end. There's a collision. Final horn sounds, bringing this one to a close.
Well, they'll look at it and say, hey, we controlled play at certain points. We had a better face-off percentage, but just not enough.
Well, this one's in the books. A fun one tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cybulski. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.